Hello folks, okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust a door recloser. You're going to need to find two screws on your door recloser. They're going to be your swing speed screw and your latch speed screw. So locate those. It might just be SS or LS. And on the other side of your door recloser, you're going to have a back check screw, a BS. If you turn the screws on there clockwise, it's going to go slower, and counterclockwise, it's going to go faster on your recloser. So this is a plan view, and you got your door recloser right here. Okay, so as the door opens, it's going to go first through the latch speed section. So if you want that to go faster, you're going to need to do it counterclockwise, slower clockwise, and then through the swing section, same thing, so just adjust that screw. Clockwise for slower, counterclockwise for faster. And then you also have the back check screw, same thing. Clockwise slower, counterclockwise faster. And that's just pretty much to prevent it from running into a wall or some other obstruction right behind the door. So that's your plan view. Hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.